Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can reset JBL PartyBox Ultimate. In order to do so, let's ask AI, according to AI, to reset the JBL PartyBox Ultimate. Press and hold the play pause and volume plus buttons for more than 10 seconds. The speaker will turn off and then back on, and it will be reset to factory settings. If you encounter issues with the reset, ensure the LED light at the top stays white and not yellow, as yellow might indicate a lack of Wi-Fi connection. Additionally, you can try connecting to Bluetooth using an older Android phone, updating the speaker through the JBL One app, and then using the app to perform a factory reset. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find a link to our X page. We just got started there. We would love it if you would join us on X. We're posting some great AI content on a regular basis. Come say hi, give us a follow. You'll also find information here to our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, and you can use discount code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off Sintra AI. Sintra AI is a fantastic business strategy platform. Highly recommend it. Can really help give your business the edge it needs. You can also gain access to Cider AI, which is a fantastic tool that is integrated in your Chrome browser, giving you access to an AI chatbot at all times. And you can also find a link to EnzoBot. EnzoBot is a platform that gives you access to some incredible AI agents that can really help you with your business, with your social media, a variety of things. Take a look at those. Click on those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.